Welcome to SQL Injection attack. Now we're getting to some fun. We've set up everything. We've got the tools. We've got everything now. Let's do a simulated attack on WebGoat. So we'll go back into Kali Linux. It doesn't matter if this is in which mode it is, if it's in hosted or NAT, because we don't need the internet or another network. We're actually just going to hack into their own machine. So we'll have to go into the terminal and we're going to run WebGoat. So sudo WebGoat Kali. Oh, sorry, wrong command. We actually need to run the Docker container and start it. We can just type up a bit. Hopefully we'll get there eventually. There we go. That's the one. Well, I did install it last time. Not sure I have to install it again. That's interesting. Okay, well, I thought I installed it last time, but obviously, unless it should just be, we should just be able to get away with typing WebGoat. No, that's right. I thought the spelling maybe. Okay. Interesting. Oh, well, we'll have to wait for it to load, but we want to go and access it on our web page here. So I'll just minimize that there, put that away. Yeah, there we go. So that's the link there. Now, http://localhost:8080/webgoat. And that that's fine. That means I'm being impatient. I have to wait. Saying, hang on, relax. We're not ready yet. We're not ready to give you the web page. So I have to wait for that to deploy. Still waiting. No patience at all. Maybe let's type login. That might push it. No, not really. I'll put pause, because I know that you might not be as patient as me as well, or maybe you're as impatient as me. Okay, after a very exhausting long wait of about 30 seconds, it's arrived. So just no patience, no time. Working so many different places, lots of jobs. Times are very important to me. Well, we register now. We're going to register a new user. So I'm just going to put Harry, anyone you like. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be used anywhere else. This is unique to your machine. I'm just going to put password capital 1. Agree and sign up. Oh, okay, well, I have to make it a bit longer. 1, 2. Okay, perfect. So now let's do an SQL injection attack. Now, this one is a simulated attack. So it's not really how can I put this? It's not going to be a realistic kind of a SQL injection attack, but really powerful. You will learn a lot by doing this. So first of all, let's go over to A3, I believe, which is injection. We'll go to SQL Injection intro, and we're just going to go along these buttons here. So first step is we'll click on number 2, and we'll click on number 2. Okay. Now, instead of me explaining everything that's going on here, what I'd like you to do is read. and do some research and find out exactly what these are. I'm just going to show you the commands because the commands are really tricky. Doesn't matter how much you read, how much research you do. I always get this wrong, and you watch this. I'll get this wrong as well. But that's okay. We'll figure it out as we go along. So read all that, but the SQL query that you want to put in should go like this. In fact, I might copy and paste this to save time. These commands will be in the comments or description. Submit. Yep, so there you go. I thought so. It should have worked. Okay. Let's have a look bit by bit. Sorry, I put the wrong one, didn't I? So my bad. I copied and pasted the wrong thing. We're going to try this again. And with oh well, don't need to do that again. Just get rid of Franco there. Franco. That didn't work. Maybe because there is no Franco. Well, Franco's not there. He was in another when I was doing this previously. It looks like they've got rid of Franco. No problems. We are going to use Travis instead. Still didn't work. Let's investigate. You know something? I don't think we need these quotes here. Okay, Travers. Last name Travers. Last name Travers. Okay. More investigation then. I knew I'd get this wrong. It's just one of those things. Yeah, we have to live with it. We have to. That's part of the game. We have to figure out what happened. So select department where employees were from. So we selected so it should give us back the accounting department because that's where Travis is. All right. By the way, I do see Franco there. He's right there. Okay. Put him back there. Franco. That should definitely work unless malformed string. Okay. Oh, okay. Works now. I don't know. I don't know why. But anyway, there it is. I'll put the codes nice and neat for you. This is not good. Not off to a good start, are we? But we'll get through. Number 3. SQL Query. So we want to try and change a bit of data. So it's good to learn SQL. So if you out there know how to do SQL, can you please let me know and teach me? Because yeah, let's. So I'm going to copy this as well. I've got the commands here. Yeah, SQL is not one of my strengths. I have to be honest. There we go. Update employee. So we've updated the last name to Barnett. So I believe it was. Okay, so we've got Bob Franco, and then we've updated that. Set department. So yeah, so we've changed the department to Barnett. So we changed Toby Barnett to sales. Where was he before? Toby, where was Toby? He was in development. So we've just hacked the system. Wow, we're hackers now. How cool is this? We are hacking the system. To be honest, I'm following along instructions here. If you can do this on your own, it's a really good idea to set up your own web page and build your own SQL server as well, and then attack it yourself. That's the best way. If anyone wants to do that, let me know. Maybe we can do that together because that'll be an awesome project. You'll learn a lot. I will learn a lot too. All I have to do is find some time. But anyway, So we're up to number 4, aren't we? Yep. And we need to modify the schema by adding the column phone number. So this is the schema of the SQL, the database. There's no phone number. We're going to add a phone number. And this is how you do it. Alter table, employees. This is the employees table. There. And add phone number with the characters of with 20 spaces, which is really too much for a telephone number, actually. Congratulations. We have got completed that assessment. So this is a good. This is a really good like a boxing bag for us. We get to practice and train. But we need real service. We need some real stuff. So maybe I'll work on that. All right, data control language. So we implement access control in the database. What we want to do is we want to grant the table permission to unauthorized user. Interesting. Okay, this is going to be fun. Number 5. So the way to do that is where I copy and paste, and let's see if this works. Don't know about this one. No, I didn't think so. There's something's missing. Something is missing from this. Let's have a look. Maybe something is missing, like a quotation mark or something. Grant alter. Maybe something like that. These spaces are important, so grant alter table. Okay, well, it looks like I'll have to investigate this. Attempted to grant alter table to maybe this. Hang on, I think maybe that should be like that. Let's have a look. Nope, I'll do some investigations now. All right, let's try this. I'm gonna try this one. Maybe we're missing this guy here. Maybe without a space. Nope. Maybe without those quotations. No. All right, well, I'm going to keep trying. All right, let's try this now. Well, there we go, done. All right, so that's the correct format. So I'm just going to update my little list here. Perfect, that's good. Let's go to 6. We need to select a user. So, I mean, I guess you can select something. Maybe just user 11. And that kind of helps us. Right there. Perfect. So that helps us with the actual creation of these SQL injection attacks. So instead of Smith, we can input something else, I guess. All right. So that was, I'm assuming, successful. Let's go to 7. Nothing else. There's nothing in 7 for us, is there? Okay, but read this because it explains what we have to do now, what an SQL injection actually is. Go to 8 and okay, click on 8. I thought click on 7 there was something else that we had to do. Okay, maybe not. All right, go to 8. 9. Here we go. Now we're going to have fun. So 9, we're going to, we've got some options here. So click on Smith with, this is the correct one. And or, it's definitely or, and 1 equals 1. That's correct. No, it's not correct. Okay. Oh, it should be okay. Okay, yeah, there it is. So it just happens to be that one. Or I'm going to just make sure I'm going to correct that. So, okay. No, that's perfect. That's good. All right, so next one, number 10, login counts. All right, so use the input. Only one of these fields is susceptible to SQL injection. Okay, yeah, now 5, I don't think that's susceptible, but this one is. Equals 1 dash dash. No, okay. Oh, okay, maybe just like that. All right, another go at this. Maybe there's some spaces in there. Okay, more investigation. It should definitely be that one. It should be that. Where login ID is, so count is 5, and user ID, that should be it. Unless there's a space there. That should work. Interesting. There's some sort of formatting there. I don't know. 1 equals 1. Interesting. Okay, I'll do some more research. Okay, I think I know. I think it's just a typo, just a human error. User or 1 equals 1. There we go. Okay, that's the correct one there. Perfect. Look at that. Get American Express, MasterCard. Interesting. We are hacking, guys. How's that? How's that feel? You're hackers now. All right, so okay, so we've got a TAN, an authentication TAN. We'll use that one, and we'll copy and put that in here. And I don't know. We'll put, like, I don't know. I forgot the last names of the employees. Smith, I guess. Dash. Apostrophe. Or 1 equals 1. Doesn't matter what I put for Smith. As long as I put that 1 as long as I do that, I should get a department. And that works. That's good. Even if I put just, gibberish, still works. That's not the important part. The important part is that, either that is true or this statement is true. 1 equals 1. 1 does equal 1. So that's cool. That's good. We're almost done. Wow. This is actually much more successful than I thought it would be. So number 12, employee last name. Okay, let's do a Smith again. And yeah, now what we want to do, well, Toby and Bob are making more money than us because we're Smith, and we just can't allow that to happen. So we're going to change how much money we make. So we'll put our salary number. I think that's what a TAN is. Copy. Paste. That should be the command. Don't worry, I'll have this all in the description so you don't have to. So I'll put in a figure there. of 100,000. Now, wouldn't that be nice? Get department. Still not earning high enough. We have to add more money. Okay. You don't have to ask me twice. I would love to earn more money. Okay. Add another 0. Yeah, put another 0. That's better. Still not earning high enough. All right. Well, how far can we go? I guess that's not the maybe that's not the task that we have to do. Ah, you know why? I'm missing one. Okay. Interesting, didn't work. So what are we missing? That 3 looks weird. Maybe the formatting. Oh, you know, I think that we're using the wrong apostrophe. That could be an issue. I don't know. Could be. It's very delicate. So could be that. Yep, there you go. It was just those little apostrophes. So I'm actually glad I made that mistake. And now I've definitely got more money than them now. Yay. If only that was true in real life. Well, no, that's unethical. Don't know how someone could sleep with themselves. Maybe sleeping on a yacht on the way to Fiji. Maybe. All right. Some actions contain. So what do we want to do here? Oh yeah, we want to get an access log. Okay. So copy. This is the command for that. And search logs. And oh well, there's still evidence, and so we need to just change. I think it's those apostrophes. Yeah. There we go. All done. Well, that was fun actually. That was a lot of fun. I enjoyed that. I might go back on in my own time, do it again, but without cutting and pasting. See if I can remember the skills. It'd be really hard though. It'd be really challenging. But I had a lot of fun. I hope you had fun too. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next episode. I'd like to thank you for watching. Have a great day.